Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the classes now. Let's continue our lesson in economics. First, development. It's development, income and other goals. In our previous class, we have talked about income and other goals, some part. Income is not the only thing. People seek other goals. There are 6 points I have written over here. Number one can buy material things. We purchase things, material things with money. With money. We work and get the money, and with the money we buy things, purchase things. It is one factor. Money is one factor. It is one factor on which our life depends. Money is a medium of exchange. We need it. In order to survive, we have to earn money. So, and our life depends on that. Money is only one factor. There are so many other factors also. So number 2, but the quality of our life also depend on non-material things. The quality of life depends on other non-material things apart from money. So such as equal treatment, freedom, security, good environment, respect. These are the other goals people seek apart from money. It depends on the people. If some people they only seek money and they do not look at other goals, but some people they will not look at money, they will look at other goals. So it depends on individual. But these are the quality of our life also depend. Our quality of life depends on these factors or these goals also. Now just think, number 3, just think the role of your friend in your life. Just think about your friend, the role of your friend in your life. Do you consider his company or his company, do you measure with the money? No. So you can see that just think the role of your friend in your life. You cannot measure your friendship. You cannot measure your friendship by money or with the money. There are other things that are not easily measured. There are so many other things that are not measured by money. But they mean a lot to our lives. But they mean a lot of things. They mean a lot. It means a lot in our life. So, number 4, it is wrong to conclude, therefore, you cannot measure everything by money. So that doesn't mean that these are not important. It is wrong to conclude or think that what cannot be measured is not important. This is wrong to think. So it depends on the people how they think or what they think about. Some people they are crazy after money. They think about money only. They do not think about other factors. Some people they consider other factors more important than money. So it depends. Now here number 5, suppose you get a job in a distant place. Suppose you get a job in a distant place. Before accepting the offer, you try to consider many factors apart from money. Apart from money, you consider other factors. How far it is, how will I go, is there any place to stay there, what type of environment is there. Apart from income, such as working atmosphere, what type of working atmosphere is there, what facilities do I get, or what sense of security is there or not, or is there any freedom or peace of mind is there or not. A lot of factors are there people consider. So it depends on the individual what they think about it. So every individual has different goals. So every individual has different goals in their mind. They think about different things and they act. They think and act as well as according to their goals. If it is fulfilled, they think that it is developed. The development has taken place in our country or in an institution or somewhere. It depends. So the definition of development depends on the individual, what they think. If their goals are fulfilled, naturally they consider it is a development has taken place. or whether it is in an institution or in a country or in an area. It depends on the fulfillment of every individual's goals. So it depends, the people, they have different goals. Apart from money. Money is the main thing, because we require money in order to survive. It's a medium of exchange. But apart from money, there are other important goals that improves the quality of our life. So that's all for today. We'll meet and talk about some more in our next class. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Do your regular studies. Visit online portal every day so that we can continue our lesson. You should not miss any part. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you for watching.